Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 24th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So on the Kiwi dollar, I wanted to start off on the daily just to show you that we're not even close to a Fibonacci retracement of this move down. What does that mean? That means that it is very likely going to go up to at least a 78% Fibonacci retracement. And the fact that this is three waves down with a higher low, makes me think that even if it does pull back on shorter time frames, it is likely just a pullback within an uptrend. So definitely looking for longs on these sort of time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely be doing nothing but looking for longs. This is the last significant break area. This is the last end of a correction. So for me, this is the last important structured zone. So anything that happens between here and here, like any move to the downside, unless it breaks this low right here, is very likely just a pullback within the daily and weekly time frame uptrend. So I definitely will be continuing to look for longs unless we get this significant break of structure. And honestly, even if we do get that significant break of structure, it's still probably going to be a pullback because of the daily and weekly time frame uptrends. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.